And if I'm somewhere where I'm networking, then I have a different, more succinct answer as to what I do. And I think it's always worth. Steve and I always used to get people, do you remember we'd get them come up with their elevator pitch when we did the coaching program? And I think it's always a useful thing for any of you to do is to sit down and think about how you're going to describe who you are and what you do. And then write it out and look at it and review it. And then decide whether it's attractive enough. Is it going to grab people's attention? Does it say what you really want it to say? How does it feel when you say it? Do you feel good about yourself when you explain, this is who I am, this is what I do?
And actually, I think that last bit is a really good point as well. It's got to feel congruent. Yeah. You'll know it will be the right thing. So, for example, if you did come in and go, I provide wellbeing services for children in schools. Does it feel right? Is that really what you do? Yeah, it feels good. It feels congruent. Yeah. And then something that Michael Neal used to talk about, and this is related to prices, and I've talked about this before. Go and use that pitch and say it. I don't even like the word pitch. And go and say it to the lamppost. Go and talk to the lamppost.
I remember.
And until it feels right. Yeah. And use that for prices as well. Yeah. So if you're quoting a price, well, what do you charge? If you're somebody that is willing to get into that conversation, because I'm not with having conversations, I won't be talking about rates.